All right, so you know when that heat pump ain't quite putting out the right amount of heat in your home, we got you covered. We'll take care of you. Is that a train? Oh. I think I singed my beard. And you could stay nice and cozy with American Veteran Air.
Oh yeah. Oh, it is burning.
It is burning.
Oh, that feels good.
Oh, it's crackling. That's nice.
Yes.
Can I borrow that to start my
That's
fire
high
pit?
quality service.
That's right. Quality service. Hey, look, if y'all are looking for more tips, we're always looking for your feedback and we want to answer your questions, and we will on a regular basis on our YouTube channel. So subscribe right here to our YouTube channel, not here, here to our YouTube channel. And we'll try to make sure we take care of all the questions and answer them efficiently for you. Y'all take care. God bless.